Hi everybody, welcome back to So Making It Up. I'm Jane.
And I'm Ashley.
and today we're in another muddy wood. So if you don't know what I'm on about, check out one of our previous videos because that's what we were talking about basically. So today we've come out in true lockdown style to exercise the dogs that are also looking really muddy and talk about our recent makes. So shall we talk about what we're wearing?
Yeah.
So the really funny nice thing was,
dry. we got the dogs and we had to put the dogs in the car. Mine jumped up at Jane all down her jeans, and when I picked mine up, mine went all over my top. So I'm wearing the puff sleeve shirt, and so you'll see here it has quite a nice little, has quite a slash top, and then it has a little shoulder fold over bit here, and I don't know if I can show. Anyway, it has, believe me, it has got puffy sleeves in there. So I made this out of some fabric that it was a remake because I'd made like a cami dress out of it for the summer last year, and then I decided that I probably wouldn't wear it anymore, so I cut it up and made this out of it. So yeah, I haven't got anything else me made on. I have got this, which I made. I feel like we're sort of like blowing in a gale. So copying Jane's idea of the treat bags, I made
you've massively got the dog's attention now.
Oh god, yeah, no more. So yeah, just made these little treat bags, put a little hook on it. So I just thought I'd try this out with the dogs. So now I'm going to give them one because, God's sake, you look demented. One for you. And one for you.
I can just get them in. I don't know. I'll cut that.
Go now. All gone. He's going to recognise these. Every time I sew any of these, he's going to recognise them.
He's going to get some treats.
Do you want me to hold it for you? Or are you multi-talented in that way?
You can hold it for me. I'm just going to get like so dripped on. So I am wearing my wet hair.
Suits you, madam.
And my toaster #1. So again, this is part of another video we did, and if I can find it I'll stick it down the bottom, where I wasn't sure. This is knit jersey.
Can I just say, sorry to butt in, it's another toaster top. Not part of another video, another toaster top.
Toaster top. So it's toaster #1 made out of a jersey knit. And I wasn't sure how the fabric was going to be because it off. Sorry, my dog is just jumped all over actually.
Oh no, it's not too bad. I expected there to be mud.
So it's actually worn quite well and washed quite well. I have also got on, span down, not too close to the bottom. I've also got on sew over it Mia jeans, and these are the ones that don't have pockets on the front, they've got pockets on the back. I made these a while ago, so these have also been like the shrinking wardrobe curse, and they're fine unless I want to breathe or eat.
They look
or
lovely. I
sit
thought
down.
you bought those.
No,
I didn't realise you'd made them.
No, I've made these. So I made these quite a while ago. So that is what I am wearing, and a very wet coat, which I've not made. So what we're going to do is try and avoid all the people here and talk about our recent makes as well. So at the moment I am making a lot of Christmas presents for somebody, so we will have here somewhere around here pictures of, I've made a grey crushed velvet makeup case with a heart on it. Look at that. The dogs are, I don't know, either playing or attacking each other. I'm not quite sure which it is. Digging for something. So I've made a makeup bag and I put a picture of it here. I've also made some stockings, a couple in grey crushed velvet, which I'll put photos of here, and a bespoke Rolling Stones one, which as I'm talking about it now, make a lot more sense when I'm actually showing you the pictures. And to make a few pyjama cases, one of which is an octopus, so I'll put that there as well. So that's what I'm going to be doing all this week, and by the time you watch this they'll all be done and I can share the pictures with you. So that's me.
You're going to say, what have I been making?
Yeah, have you made anything?
I have, sorry, I'm just struck by,
No!
I'm struck by the different colour of my hair actually in the daylight. It's like really crazy. Anyway, I made the, if you remember the Sully hoodie, the Sully fabric that I bought, it was in, oh gosh, what number was it? A couple of, we'll put the number on here, a couple of vlogs ago, and I didn't know what to make about it, with it. And we talked about it being like Sully out of Monsters Inc. So I made an oversized hoodie with that, which I have put on Instagram, and we'll put another picture on here. Big shout out to Melly Sews, who I believe is in America, and if you sign up to her newsletter, she's got tons of free patterns. You get a newsletter that gives you sewing tips and sewing hacks. So thank you, Melly. Really pleased with it. Now my kids know that actually I can sew a hood on a hoodie. I'm expecting to have lots of orders, but they will probably be in black, so that's going to be quite boring.
Yeah, it's quite hard to show on video.
I've been making, obviously, I've been also making some treat bags. So yet to be decided what to do with those. And what else am I going to do this weekend? I also have some more harem trousers to make. So you'll have seen in a couple of vlogs ago, I had some more camo fabric and I had some olive fabric, which one of our lovely readers called out and said olive's her favourite colour. So yeah, I like olive as well. Olive or blue is sort of probably my colours. So I'm going to try and get at least one pair of those made this weekend, and also made a pair of the trousers, the pink ones, for my daughter's friend. So that's me.
Lovely comments, and thank you to everybody that likes, subscribe.
We love the comments,
and we love reading the comments. And I thought what we could do, because we've had some comments about people also doing their sewing. So if you want us to share your makes as part of our videos, in the description box below, I will put in our email address, our Sew Making It Up email address. If you want to ping us an email with some photos of what you've been making, we will show them, because I think it'd be really nice to share everybody else's makes. Yeah, I do too. I love it. I love the comments. When we read them, we're always messaging each other saying, have you seen this one? Have you seen that one? Yeah. And I think someone asked for Jane to do a twirl. So we might see if she does that later. I think it was a twirl. It definitely wasn't. You were twirling, I was twirling. So yeah, we might show you a bit more of our walk, I guess, in a bit. The dogs are now eating stuff. I don't know what they're eating. My dog will actually eat anything. She loves horse poo. There's quite a lot of that around here. So yeah, so that's it for the sewing update. So if you're not interested in seeing like a wet and windy forest, and I really don't know why you wouldn't be interested in that, quite honestly, you can sign off here. Otherwise we're not going to show a lot of footage because it's a really miserable day, but we'll show you as we go round. See you later. Bye. Bye.